What if you sneezed in space? Without gravity, nothing stops your sneeze but physics. That blast of air fires backward at 150 kilometers an hour. But you're floating, so your body rockets the other way. Astronauts call it microthrusting. One sneeze could send you spinning like a slow tumbleweed, except there's no air resistance to stop you. You just keep rotating until you grab something. Imagine explaining to NASA you drifted off because of allergies. In space, even a sneeze makes you your own rocket.